Now, the biggest worry is that we're seeing rules being openly flouted in the election season, particularly at political rallies. You have these leaders not wearing masks. There's no question of the crowds either wearing masks or maintaining social distancing. Let's get you this report from Punjab of what the situation currently is and how it could lead to a spike in COVID cases.
Dance of democracy in 5 states. Mega political face-off in poll-bound Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Goa and Manipur. But the season of rallies with massive crowds could be breeding ground for the super mutant strain. Omicron threat looms large over poll-bound Punjab. Not only political workers but also leaders can be seen flouting COVID norms openly. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi himself is often seen without masks, failing to adhere to COVID norms. However, he has asked people to exercise caution.
COVID ਦਾ ਖਤਰਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਤਿਹਾਦ ਵਰਤਦੇ ਰਹੋ
Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal too was flouting norms. When India Today confronted him for the negligence, he claimed there was no protocol in place in the poll-bound state.
Norms are not flouted.
At the moment, there's no more norms. There's no restrictions on any gathering, nothing in Punjab. So as and when they are put in, we will take the thing.
Akali Dal leader Ranjit Singh, who was without a mask, was apologetic, urging everyone to be careful during campaign.
हम देख रहे हैं कि चाहे अकालियों की रैली हो, कांग्रेस की रैली हो, कोई मास्क नहीं पहन रहा है।
हाँ, सॉरी मैं नहीं पहना। ये कोई बहुत खतरनाक बीमारी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी एहतियात रखना चाहिए। बहुत फैलती है, जल्दी फैलती है।
BJP State Chief Ashwini Sharma too doesn't care much about masks.
बड़ी रैलियां अभी तो शुरू नहीं हुई, लेकिन क्योंकि कोविड की तीसरी लहर पंजाब उससे अभी बचा हुआ है पूरी तरह से और वाहिगुरु की कृपा से बचा भी रहेगा, लेकिन उसका सबको पालन करना चाहिए।
The Election Commission has termed the new variant a challenge for conducting safe elections. The only way out is to increase states' inoculation drive, but the biggest hurdle is hesitancy. Nearly 37 lakh of the target population in the state are yet to be administered the first dose of the vaccine. Of the 2.7 crore target population, around 1.7 crore have received only the first dose. Only 88 lakh beneficiaries have received both doses.
With the third wave staring in the face, there seems to be a large build-up in violation of the COVID-19 norms. The question is, who is accountable for this particular violation of COVID-19 and where will the buck stop? With camera person Chandi Ram, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Mohali, Punjab for India Today.